Ever wonder what it takes to transform from a dad bod to a physique that turns heads? A transformation journey that not only reshapes the body but also the mind, enhancing your overall quality of life. Well, buckle up, because we're about to take a deep dive into that very journey. In the world of fitness, there's no shortage of strategies, diets, and workout regimens. But today, we're focusing on the most effective principles that have been tried, tested, and endorsed by fitness experts around the globe. First off, the magic happens in the kitchen. Nutrition plays a pivotal role in any transformation journey. Ever heard the phrase, "abs are made in the kitchen"? It's not just a catchy slogan, it's a fact. Consuming a balanced diet packed with proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbs is fundamental. Remember, it's not about cutting out meals but making smarter choices. Next up, consistency is key. Fitness isn't a one-time thing, it's a lifestyle. A single workout may make you feel great, but it's the commitment to regular exercise that brings about real change. Incorporate a mix of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises into your routine. And remember, it's not about how long you work out, but how effectively. Now for the secret ingredient, sleep. Yes, you heard it right. Quality sleep is just as important as diet and exercise. It helps your body recover, build muscle, and even aids in weight loss. So make sure you're getting those 7 to 9 hours of rest every night. Lastly, don't forget about mental fitness. A strong mind can push a tired body to keep going. Incorporate mindfulness and meditation into your routine. They can help manage stress, enhance focus, and improve overall well-being. Now you might be thinking, that's a lot of information. And yes, it is. But remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. The same applies to your fitness journey. Start by making small changes in your daily routine, gradually incorporating these principles into your life. Before you know it, you'll be on your way to a healthier, fitter you. So, why wait for tomorrow when you can kickstart your transformation journey today? Remember, every journey starts with a single step. Take that step today. So, there you have it. The roadmap to transforming from a dad bod to a well-toned physique. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Each step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a victory. Keep going, keep pushing, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Because in the end, it's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good. So, gear up and embark on your transformation journey today.